Yo, it's me again, back with an unboxing of the Hyperdrive for USB Type-C people. Here it is. It was a Kickstarter that I purchased. Obviously, it took forever to come, but it's finally here. Now I'm opening it so you guys can see whether you should get it or not get it. So let's have a look what we got in the box. Come on! Nearly there guys. There we go. In that massive box we get the Hyperdrive. As you can see, clearly it supports iPhone and Android fast charging. It has built-in USB Type-C into 4K, a gigabit Ethernet, 3 USB-A's, free and a 3.5 GHz SD, micro SD, and USB-C 100-watt power delivery. You see me? You got me. You get me. Let me open it up. It's got some nice pictures inside of how you can connect everything up, and then it just comes out like this, and that's it really. So this comes off. This comes off, and then you can push this up so you could stack up your phone on top of it. And that's the USB charger point as well. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get a cable, yeah. So we get a cable. It's got some power options in there. Let's plug it in and see how good it is. To plug it into the Mac, like so. Get a little light on, and I guess this should charge my phone, which it does. See, I noticed that I plugged this cable actually into the back where it says where the power supposed to be, but it's going on the side, and what it was doing, it was kept charging my phone and then dropping charge. So you make sure you plug it into the side, and now it seems to be fine. So here's the micro USB. I think it's like that. Or is it? Oh, it's like a little pushy in click. You hear a click, which it has. Just click import. That all seems to be working fine. Let me plug in the mains. So you just plug in the mains at the back here, and that should effectively charge it, which it did. It made the sound, and as you can see at the top, it's charging through the Mac. So there's the HDMI, the Ethernet, the USBs, the SDs, and some more USBs on that side. So everything seems to be working fine. I haven't tried the HDMI, but I'll try that out later. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. If you want me to do a follow-up and see how it's going, then put that in the comments below. I'll do that as well. But if you've got any questions regarding on it, let me know. I'll put all the details on how much I paid for it, for the Kickstarter, in the comments below, and where you can get yourself one. Peace!